Welcome everybody. Today we're going to do something new. We're going to be working on Geometer Sketchpad and learning about quadrilaterals. So for chapter 12 you're going to scroll down to the bottom and then you're going to see the assignment. It looks like this. I have it here in Smart Notebook. And then right below that is going to be the Sketchpad file. If you click on that it will download, but only if you have Sketchpad installed on your computer. And that was from week 1. So this is what it will look like when you open it up. So what you want to do is you want to make this window larger so you can see it and start your exploring. Now our assignment today is going to be to look at each of these and move these points around and see what happens. See if from all of these squares we can see what we can make with them. So let's start with A. So we're going to click on the point here in the corner and then we're going to move that point around. Now notice as we move that point, no matter where I move the point, what figure is made. Here's the list of figures to choose from. Alright, so what's happening? This line stays parallel with this line. And this line stays parallel with this line no matter what I do with this point. See how we can watch that happen? So I'm going to conclude that A was designed to be a parallelogram in Sketchpad. Now it's important to unclick that point in A and let's go to C. We're going to click a point in C and see what happens. Okay, as I move this point, things are changing, but they're changing in a different way. What is the figure? Let's look at the list of figures. Well, it looks to me like whether it's small or large, whether it's turned this way or that, all the sides are of equal length. What kind of figure is that? Well, from the list, a rhombus has those characteristics of all sides being equal length, no matter what the angle measure or the size of the figure. So I'm going to conclude that letter C is designed to be a rhombus. Next I'm going to go to letter D. Oh, well, that just moves the whole figure. Oh, this makes it smaller or larger, but it's not going to be anything other than what you can see. It constantly remains what from the list? A square. It's always going to be a square. So I'm going to conclude that letter D was designed to be a square. And then I'm going to wonder how they did that in Sketchpad. How did they make them all look the same but have different properties? I'm going to unclick that point because I'm going to go to the next one. And now I'm going to click this point and it looks like a square too. It looks sort of the same like it's a square too. But let's see, what if we click this point over here? Oh, now we can change the height over here. Let's see if we could click, oh, we can change the length with this one. So we can bring it over here and move it all around. So what would you conclude? I would conclude that it's a rectangle. Now I'm going to unclick this point. I'm going to come over here to F and see what happens. Oh. Well, it looks like when I move this point, the lengths of this one and this one remain equal. Not there, it's getting longer and shorter, but it's still equal. So now I'm going to try and add 2 points. So now I have 2 points selected, and the same thing's happening. No matter where I go, the lengths of those adjacent sides are equivalent. And that follows the characteristics of what from the list? A kite. Now let's unclick these and go to letter G and continue exploring on your own. That's all for today. Bye-bye.